Hi, welcome to Formula. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your entire customer service request process using Google Forms and Formula. With this workflow, your clients can submit requests easily, your support team gets instant notification, clients receive automatic confirmation emails, there is no more missed messages or manual follow-up. Let's get right into it. First, you want to search for the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Form Mailer email notification, and click on install. In my previous video, I showed you step by step how to do this. Next, go into your Google Forms, select the form you'd want your clients to fill or create a new one. For this video, I already have a form set out. You could name your form. Okay, and put in the fields you would want your clients or your customers to submit whenever they have a request. Now click on add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage email notifications, and the email address you use to set up your formula is going to appear in your formula. All you have to do is select the name that you want to appear whenever your team or a client receives the notification mail. Next, you're going to go to email templates, click on respondents. So this is what your clients receive immediately after submitting the form. And you want to set up your email templates. For this tutorial, I already have my template set up. So all you have to do when you're filling out your template and you want to include a field from your form, just click on insert field and you'll see all the fields that are already in your form. Click on the one that you want to reflect in the email and save changes. The second is the recipient. So this is your customer service team or your internal team, and this is the mail that they receive so they can follow up with the client. And it's the same process. You set up your mail, insert the field that you'd want them to receive, and save changes. Now you go to your recipient details. These are your teammates or the customer service team in this instance. An example is you just have to put in their name, company's email, and press enter. You can put in as much recipients as you want. Example, and that's it. All you have to do is save changes. And your email notifications are all set up. Now let's test this. I'm just going to impute my mail. Details. And that's it. My request form has been submitted and your team receives a mail immediately. Here you have it, and that's it. You have successfully built a complete customer service automation workflow with Google Forms and Formula. All you have to do now is go through your mails, make sure everything looks good. With Formula, you get 10 emails, 10 free emails each month. And to upgrade your account, all you have to do is navigate to add-ons, click on Formula, manage your account. To upgrade your plan each month, you would have $3 per month for with 15,000 emails monthly and 24 hours support, or $30 a year with 15,000 emails monthly, 16 hours discount, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. So you can decide between these which is best for you and your team. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, download Formula for your customer service team, and let us know which tutorial you'd love to see next. Thank you.